Alrighty, well, you just heard it. That is the 2018 BMW M240i with the Dinan Resonator delete kit. I guess in this video we're going to be showing you how I managed to put that on myself. Alright, well, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to leave a comment on what kind of car you're driving. If you're driving the same one, any kind of issues that you have, I'll make sure to respond as easy or as fast as possible, I mean. And then make sure to subscribe for more content, because more BMW content I hope is coming soon. That's pipe. That's gonna be moved on to my car. How are we gonna do it? I don't know yet, we're getting there. Alright, first step, it's telling me that I need to cut exhaust by the muffler on BMW's quote-unquote punch mark, whatever that means. So I don't know if there's a literal punch mark on there, I would hope. Got the car on the ramps, custom ramps, Coolio, check them out. Car go up, and then you go, oh man, I can't fit under there anymore because the ramp's in the way. Then you just do this. And then you go under there. All right, so I realize that it's hard to see, but I have the muffler going back. And you can actually see where they made the punch mark right here. Literally just a tiny little hole. And I guess that's supposed to be where I'm cutting it. So I'm probably gonna grab the pipe, measure it up, and then send it, I guess. I know this isn't the greatest view, but just to confirm that this lines up, I decided to put it under my car, line it up with the existing resonated exhaust, and just to make sure that it lines up with the notch that BMW has lovely provided. It does. So notch is right here, and I'll probably end up going a little bit farther than that because I would rather make a second cut than have to weld more shit on. Alright, technically it's cut, so I am interested to see what it sounds like. Interesting. Sounds a lot cooler, not gonna lie. But yeah, it's cut. That's what it looks like at the moment. Just sprayed out a bunch of condensation, I guess. Time to line up the rest, and then I think the directions said that I need to take off that clamp right there, that brace, and then also the front by the cat. All right, so continuing off Dinan's directions, there is a clamp. Oh God, I can't hit it. All right, whatever. But the clamp for me was a 14, and then the hanger nut for the exhaust, this one, I think it's looking at it. I hope, somewhere in there. Oh, that one right there. That was a 13. So 14 is stuck on there. So we'll get that out eventually. But next is the bracket, and these are all T50. There's 6 of them that have to come out, and then I can drop the entire mid pipe. Which means time for the new one without the resonators. Alrighty, so to get this cross member off, apparently I also have these giant, long, personally I think they're unnecessary, but they're probably not, cross member thingamabobbers. This bolt is a T60, which totally just screwed me and had to run to the store because my 55, or whatever I had, 50, was clearly not enough. But you can just take those off like I did on the other side, and then eventually be able to pull out the rest of the exhaust completely. I tried doing it without getting the bolt. Don't waste your time. It's not possible because the heat shielding gets in the way. Just fair warning. If you don't have the T60, just get it now. Next step from Dinan, whatever the name is to put the front of the mid-pipe in to the cat. If I could see, that would be great. Flashlight. There it is. Cat. Bingo. All the clamps in the kit are exactly the same size, so don't worry about that. Alright, we're going with that. Hopefully that's good. Alright, we are all in and installed. That was quite the install. Back there, that bracket, the cross member, I kind of use it to hold up the front piece that goes under the cat. And then also, during that, I must have bent the piece that goes into the cat a little bit. So I had to hit that out with a hammer because I don't really have anything else. But made it work. Should be good. Haven't started it yet. That was a lot less smooth than I thought it was going to be, but we made it work, I guess. But yeah. Follow the directions. They're actually pretty good, not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm glad that they included instructions. The video that I saw didn't have the cross members on their car, and I don't know if I should really be doing a tutorial on this, but this is just my experience on what I did, kind of. So. But decibel meter, car. Decibel meter, exhaust. And I'm putting it right there, and it's not moving. BMW stands for big money waste. Boston most money. It's totally chilling my grill. I'm gonna put it right down in front of my phone, camera, whatever. Alright, so the max was 96.4. I would assume that that would be in sport mode, revving it to like the moon. Alright, so I've noticed that if you actually get it on a cold start, it's a lot better when it's actually cold. Alright, so it's probably been like a month at this point since I've put the Resonator Delete on there. And I will say, I was very underwhelmed at first, but after like farther thought, it definitely changed the tone way deeper now. I don't know why I didn't notice that before, but even like the video says it's like 10 decibels louder too, especially on the startup. If you get like a cold start, like I was just saying a couple of seconds ago too, it is a world of a difference. But for some reason, I just did not notice any of that when I first put it on. I think when the BMWs are completely warmed up, the valve for the exhaust is always open regardless. I think that's why I started playing around with the valve and I couldn't seem to figure it out, but I think it's just always open when it's fully warmed up. So that can change some sounds. I'm gonna have to put this down in a second because I don't want to be vlogging and behind a cop. Oh, he's turning, cool beans. Yeah, but I actually really enjoy the sound of it now compared to stock. Would I want it louder? Yeah, who wouldn't? But I can't go that far because the warranty will void and can't be doing that stuff. So if it was something that I could replace on there, like before going to the dealer, I'd totally do it. But now that I have the Resonator Delete, I can't do like a muffler, say, because I would have to get it welded rather than clamping it. I guess I could do a sleeve and then clamp them both, but that's weird. I don't know, it just seems like more of a hassle than it's worth, so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, that was me installing the Resonator Delete on the 2018 BMW M240i. If you enjoyed the video, if it helped you at all, make sure to leave a like, comment what kind of project you got going on, and make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks, man.